Today, the tide brings us back to the Holiday Inn Club Vacation Resort. So most of these balconies will be at least ocean view. The new mega hotel here on the south side of Myrtle Beach. What's happening, everybody? Beachin With The Boones, and today we're back at the Holiday Inn Club Vacation here in the south part of Myrtle Beach. We haven't been here in a few months, giving them time to construct a little bit more. So today we'll do a quick walk around and look. And if you notice, it doesn't go up that high, possibly because of all the air traffic. That's a nice looking pool. Overhead crane poking out. But they're coming along with the windows and the balconies. And this is what it's supposed to look like when it's finally completed. And according to the sign, still scheduled to open April the 7th, 2024. A very specific date, almost a year from now. And we'll find out when that date comes, if they'll be open. We'll try to go inside. So this is on the south end, as I said, on Ocean Boulevard. And right down yonder way is the end of Ocean Boulevard on the south end. It goes all the way down. They still got a ways to go. They got most of the brick covered on one end, and all they have is a little bit more on this end. There's the old spring-made beach area and the pier. So here we are on the other side. And it may not be tall, but it is fat. With your drive-through right here. Right beside the spring-made pier. The spring-made, of course, now is Doubletree by Hilton. Here's a look. This is about as far as I can go without actually getting out on the ocean. Right near Spring-Made Pier. Still working on it. Now let's go see if we can get some good shots from Beachside. So here's the Spring-Made Pier. Fairly new concrete to withstand the storm surges. And here's a look from the sand of the new Goliath Holiday Inn Club Vacations. You can see where the building makes like a U shape, where the pool and all will be, possibly a year from this coming week. Well, that was a quick look at the construction and update on the Holiday Inn Club Vacation. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on and what's new around the beach so you can keep beaching.